If you want to add the option for a thank you note in Printify, click on Store Setting while making sure you're on the right store. Then go to Gift Message and switch the button to enable this feature. After that, click Edit Template to customize the message. Printify provides demo text so you can see how the custom message will look when someone adds their text. You can change the font, colors, and background. If you created your branding package insert card in Canva, you can delete all the extra text for the thank you note and just keep the background, so both cards matched in the design. When both options are enabled, the product card will always be included. And if a customer adds a custom message, you will get both cards. Keeping the design similar ensures a cohesive look. You can also just add your logo and leave everything else as it is. To change the text, click on the text, and at the top you will see the option to edit it. How to get a gift message into your checkout when using WooCommerce and Printify. You can customize the checkout field by adding a plugin. Install and activate Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce. Once activated, go to the settings of this plugin. You can do this by clicking on Installed Plugins, finding the new plugin and clicking on Setting. Now you will see a list of all the checkout fields. Don't touch them unless you know what you're doing. Click on Add New Field. For the type, change it to text area so customers can see what they are writing. In the name field, enter something like thank you note or a gift message. Make sure you use underscore instead of spaces. For the label, write a call to action that lets customer know that they can add a message and that it is optional. Then uncheck the required checkbox and save. When someone buys from you, they can write a note at the checkout. Next, go to Printify and set orders to hold so you can manually add the message when processing the order. Unlike Etsy that will get the custom message directly to Printify, when you use WooCommerce, you need to do it manually. Go to Store Setting, then scroll down to Order Approval and select Manual. This way, Printify will hold the product production until you approve it. Make sure you have the gift message ready to send. Now go to your orders by clicking on Orders in the left menu. If you have an actual order, you will see it here and you will need to click on it and approve it. Since I don't have an example, I show you how to do it manually. Click on Create Order, then select Manual. Now choose the products from the order you custom placed. You can add multiple products and search by product name if you have a lot of products. If the product has variable like size and color, you will need to select them too. Next, fill in the shipping information from your customer order. On the last page, you will see the option to copy and paste the message they sent when they created the order. This page will be the same when you have the order in place automatically from your WooCommerce store. If you only need to approve an order, just add the message on the last page and confirm it. This will send the product to your customer. You can find the customer message in your WooCommerce orders under the billing address section. Copy it from there and paste it into and approve the orders so they can start create it for your customer. Watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.